Curious what $2 million in the luxury real estate segment of Peachtree City, Georgia looks like? Well, today we're going to show you. Our newest listing is a lakefront stunner in the unique, secluded enclave of North Cove in Peachtree City.
That's right, Karen. From this chef-inspired bespoke kitchen, I love it, to the upstairs primary suite overlooking Lake Kedron that is just phenomenal. You're gonna see every detail today. Hi, I'm Matthew Dahlke.
And I'm Karen Dahlke. We have a top performing real estate team just south of Atlanta. This home is located at 124 North Cove Drive in Peachtree City. As of the summer of 2024, we have this property listed for $2,050,000, and it is located on an acre right on front of Lake Kedron, 5 bedrooms, 5 baths, almost 4,800 square feet with a full terrace level as well.
North Cove is kind of like if Savannah and Charleston got together and had a baby, they would create this neighborhood. From the gas-lit lanterns to the tree-lined streets to the lush landscaping, all of that makes it feel a little bit like those two cities.
It does.
Also, Jim Strickland is the architect for the neighborhood. He is recognized for his architectural excellence and his focus on historical concepts.
That's probably why it feels like Charleston and Savannah.
That's right.
We can't wait for you to take a look. Let's check it out.
Starting off the tour, we're gonna start, of course, at the front of the home. This is a Southern style home, huge covered porch. Let's come inside and give you the full tour. There are a lot of details to this house. Even when you walk in, you see this cool little nook with marble countertops, beautiful site finished floors, really nice open 2-story foyer entrance that leads you into this beautiful living kitchen area. One of the most exciting parts about this house is the kitchen. When I first saw this, I thought, wow. The owners redid this kitchen just recently, and it was a $175,000 renovation. Quartzite countertops alone were about $40,000. There are a Tiffany crystal. They've wrapped them around backsplash. Even the door hardware that you see is so custom. Of course, soft close cabinets. You have storage everywhere in this house. When you're sitting here doing dishes, looking out, you have a gorgeous view of Lake Kedron. Another really cool hidden feature about this house is the spice rack. And yes, it is right by your cooktop. So again, if you are a chef or you like to cook, everything is conveniently located. And of course, we talked about having double ovens. You see the custom vent hood, the wood beams above us kind of tie this all in. And if you are a chef, holy cow, we don't have a 36-inch, we have a 48-inch cooktop with a griddle, so we're ready to make eggs and pancakes and everything in the morning. This is probably one of the biggest islands I've ever seen. I can't imagine entertaining, having people over, having your spread of food. You have a lot of space here, and everything is really tucked in, from the feature of like the dishwasher to the refrigerator, and it's all Jenn Air appliances. Black inside finish, very unique. Of course, you have the microwave drawer, so that's tucked in. And then even the pantry, just everything that was done in here is just beautiful. It's all custom built-ins and very organized. So when you want to bring all of your groceries into the house from the garage, it is connected. It's a 2-car plus a golf cart garage, custom built-in cabinets, really cool flooring that has been done, and all 3 garage doors are brand new. Also, I think you could probably play basketball and have like a 10-foot basketball goal here, because these are probably 15-foot ceilings. It's pretty impressive. From the butler's pantry, we have the same beautiful quartzite countertops, sink, nice little area with all your beverages. Everything's on dimmers in here too. Wine fridge, and then if we're having dinner parties, this flows straight into this formal dining room with beautiful wainscoting, crown molding. You've got the plantation shutters looking out. But maybe if you're not doing that dinner party and you're having your breakfast, or you want to have your coffee in the mornings, I've got something really cool for you that most houses just don't have. This beautiful covered porch, covered screen porch, I should say, really never gets old. So when we're out here, this is a huge space. We have a living room area, like I said, a nice little table for breakfast area, and as you can see, you overlook Lake Kedron and a pool. You have so much privacy between your neighbors, so you're really not seeing anything. And this is one of the largest lots in the neighborhood, so it truly is private. And this is probably something you will really enjoy about this house. And as we're coming down the stairs, you can already see the detail of all the flagstone, which is absolutely beautiful. We've got an entertainer's dream down here. We've got a custom built-in bar, barbecue grill, great for your summer barbecues. This pool they have redone. And look at the porches. You've got 3 porch areas to hang out, and you have a nice little hot tub area. What a lot of people also like is a nice grassy area, and we have a huge space here. So if you have dogs that want to get out and run around, or if your kids want to get out and play, it's all fenced in. And I like grass, but personally being a golfer, I would probably put a really nice little putting green in there. To get to the lake, we have a few options to get there, but you have this beautiful little path which kind of winds around and takes you to a nice little seating area out here. And then you also have one of your 2 fire pits here. You could even see the landscaping, just the lushness and private area here. So let's go check out my favorite part of this house, the lake. Wow, here we are. This is absolutely insane. This is what lake life is all about. And again, in Peachtree City, we do not have a lot of houses on the lake, but when you're on the lake, this is definitely, I mean, we can come down and you've got full 180 views of Lake Kedron. You can do some paddleboarding, you can kayak, you can fish. So just really a fun place to get out. Now that you've seen some of the outside parts that are truly spectacular, let's go back inside and see the rest of the neat details inside. And this really is an open concept where the kitchen flows right into the living room area. There is a lot of space here, so you have a little sitting area, couch, chairs, and your cozy fireplace for the winters. Beautiful marble backsplash there surround around the fireplace. And even the wood detailing, you have like herringbone pattern all down the wall on each side of the fireplace. From there, we flow in and we have a full bathroom. Most people have a half bath, where we have a full bath, tub, shower, tile, toilet there, sink there. We have a closet in front of us, and then it leads us into what they're using is a really kind of fun little workout room, but you could also use this as an office. It is technically the bedroom on the main level. The second floor features the owner's retreat and 2 additional bedrooms that are en suite with their own bathrooms. We're gonna go show you up now. Another awesome feature that the owners really loved, and they actually did all of this work, is this really, really cool lit up reading nook area. So you can sit here, read your book, have a beautiful view outside. And we also have bedroom on this side, full bath, full closet, another bedroom, full bath, full closet. So they're both en suite on each side. And just behind us is the owner's retreat. There is a lot of space. You have a lot of options to lay out the bedroom in different ways. With what these particular owners have done, they've made a little office space here. They've got their full king size bed here. I mean, there's still a lot of space even after you have a king bed. And then you have a cool little living room area, so at night you want to get snuggled up, watch a movie. You have another fireplace up here, and either both at night or in the mornings, you don't even have to go downstairs. You've got your own beverage center, so you can make your coffee in the morning, and at night, if you really wanted to, you could grab a cold beverage and head out to yet another space that's covered and overlooks that gorgeous lake. I know if I lived here, I would probably hang out here most of the time. And it is Georgia, so it's a little hot out here, so I'm gonna get cleaned up. So let's see what that owner's bath looks like. Wow, words don't describe this, and we do not use the word retreat lightly. This is like being at a day spa, something you've probably never seen in a house. I know it's summertime, but in the winter, it's a little cold here, and we do have heated floors. Yes, the tile floors are completely heated, so you stay nice and toasty in the wintertime. The sellers just redid this bathroom. It was a $75,000 renovation. These cabinets are stunning. The fogged glass. We actually had these in a kitchen of a luxury listing the other day. Taj Mahal quartzite counters, and they put them in a bathroom. That is high end. We have the soaking tub with a beautiful picture window. And let's talk about this shower. Wow. I mean, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 shower heads in here. And look at the detail on the ceiling of that. We have a view if you actually are tall. You actually can see the lake from right here. That is just so fascinating. And if you need a little privacy, We've got electronic shades. Not only do we have the privacy shade, but if you want to kind of have a darker, kind of cozy spa vibe, the blackout shade is your go-to for that. This water closet, they even did tile around here. And you have another window with another lake view. The lake view just doesn't get old. In our walk-in primary closet with built-ins, so plenty of space in here. So everyone's dream closet to have additional space for storage. You have it there and above us as well. So we've shown you 2 floors so far. We still have a terrace level. So from the terrace level, we have a 1-room kind of craft room right off the staircase. We have a bedroom, LVP floors, and it opens into the full bath. So this is our terrace level bathroom, tub, shower. Of course, you're seeing granite countertops. This is like its own house down here. We have this huge game room space area. As we talked about the pool, but if you're in the pool and you're hot and you wanna come in, get away from the heat, we have another space to go, maybe have a snack, get a drink, in our second kitchen. So not only 1, but 2. This is a kitchen you would see in most houses. So we have this main kitchen here on this level with the granite counters, granite backsplash, and then of course the ultra luxurious kitchen upstairs. We've got our game room area, the pool table, the living room area, great for, you know, evenings, hanging out, entertaining, just more kind of a chill vibe down here, having good movie night, or if your kids want to have their friends over, this is a good place to do it. Wow. That was a spectacular home. There truly are very few lakefront homes in Peachtree City, and I feel like this one really in the luxury market captures everything you could want.
There are so few homes that come on the market in North Cove. It's always exciting when there is a listing and a sale in North Cove. So if you want a private tour of this home, be sure and let us know.
Let us know what your favorite part of the house was.
And be sure to like and subscribe.
And remember, every move counts.